What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Gunfish TV. I appreciate you tuning in to my channel today. I'm out here on the river and we came down here to the bigger end, and I got my buddy Brandon with me today, and we just put in, water temps are 65 degrees, but as you can see, we're wearing hoodies and we're bundled up because it's the end of April here in Virginia, and guess what? It's in the 40s. It was low 40s this morning. I think it's 48, 49 right now, but still good water temps. The fish should be absolutely biting. It is overcast, and it's gonna be overcast all day long. I think we have storms coming in this afternoon, big cold front pushing through. So one thing, glass calm today. I mean, like just slick conditions, hardly no wind. So that's really nice to finally fish a day with no wind. But hopefully we can put a big bag in the boat today, maybe catch a big one. We're gonna run on down the river. Maybe we can get on some top water action. Here at the first spot. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna fish in there just a little bit, fish that left side in, and then we're gonna come back out and we're gonna fish these trees down. All right, see if we can catch them. I'm gonna start off with the buzz bait. No surprise there.
You ain't starting off the top water.
Yeah, start off with the buzz bait. What, you're gonna throw the frog? Yeah. All right. So Brandon's gonna start off with the frog. We're gonna try to push the issue with top water to begin with. Definitely gonna flip once we get on these trees right here some, just unless the top water bite is just ridiculous, and it very well could be absolutely nuts, but we're gonna find out. Pretty sure that a lot of these fish in here are spawning. So these fish are gonna be all up here around the base of these trees. Last time I was here, the water was blown out and it was really low. Right now it looks good. It's up where it should be. Water clarity looks good, so should be in for a good bite. I hope so anyway. It's supposed to warm up to 70 today. We'll see. Hopefully it does. But it's definitely cloudy. A lot of cloud cover. All right, we're gonna move. No fish. We are gonna move on down the river a little bit. Got a couple little nibbles, but that was it. Gotta get a fish in the boat. This is a good spot too. Yeah, this little chop should definitely help things out, I think. Hit all these trees, we just snake through, work through. The pocket is right beyond where those trees are sitting off. It comes back in this way. That's a bite. Got it. There's one. All right. Flip right up there on the other side of that log, and he thumped it. Yeah, I mean, he thumped it like he's supposed to. First fish, little guy. Take him note. Pretty. Got him on that hematoma fighting frog. And we just pulled up here, so that's a really good sign. It's a good little stretch of trees right here. That fish was shallow and about Probably, definitely less than 3 foot of water for sure. Yeah, the water's up over, oh God, up over 66 now. There's one. Oh, it was a nice one. Dude, that was a 3-pounder all day. Just lost him.
Yeah. Well, that's all right.
Yeah, I mean, that's quick. That's quick, man. Yep, that is quick. I mean, we hadn't been nowhere.
Well, I mean, it's really about your third cast.
Yeah.
10 minutes with GoPro.
Darn. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why he came off. Yeah, I was getting ready to swing him and he just, I don't know. When I stuck him, it felt solid when I stuck him. That's good though. That is good. A lot of times here, that's what you got to do. You just got to like jump areas and then you'll just find the area that has them. I mean, just like that. I mean, yep. Might be. I got plenty of them if you want one. Dude, that's what, 3 trees flipped and like, yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Nice. I will take it. Well, we just pulled up here, y'all, and getting bit quick. We fished 2 other areas, trees and everything, and didn't get bit on them, so I think we might have just got into the right area, or either this wind blowing, putting this little chop on the water, blowing up against these trees might have kind of turned them on a little bit. But this is an area where I've caught them in the past pretty good, so. There's some big mamas up here. We just gotta get them to bite. There's one. Got that one. There's a better one. Get in here. There we go. Yeah. It's a nice, these long and lean fish. Peeing everywhere, male. Yeah, right up there on that stump right there. Look how beat up that fish is. I mean, that fish is beat up big time.
Feel like you've been ran over.
Yeah. All right, thank you, bud. We are, yeah, we're catching some fish. Oh, he's gonna jump for us. There we go. Yeah, we got to get back down there. All right, so I'm gonna get this cast in, or this flip in. We went quite a while without a bite. So we're gonna pull the trolling motor up and actually idle back down to where we kind of started at, because we were getting bit pretty doggone good there. So we're gonna see if we can kind of figure out what's going on and get back into fish. You don't want to go from catching fish as fast and furious as we were, or getting bit as quick as we were, to basically nothing. So let's get back down there and see if we can kind of figure out this pattern. All right, let's see what we can do. See if we can get us a big one. We think that we quit getting bit because of the way the shoreline was laid out. These trees set up a lot different than what they were. Kind of the shoreline just kind of changes and gets flatter as you go out that way. So we're hoping that's what the deal is, and that we kind of figured out what the little deal is as far as getting bit. So we're gonna find out if that's what it is or not. If we get bit kind of quick, we'll know almost immediately. But we went from getting bit pretty doggone frequently to nothing. We want to get back to getting bit. There he is. Oh my God, look, clean me. Dadgummit, I flipped up to that stump, dude, and he swam all the way out here. Clean me off. Got him? Oh yeah.
There's your craw.
Did he spit it up?
Right there.
Oh, he sure did. He spit it up. There we go. Yep. Spit my craw up. That sucker was hungry.
Yeah, well, either that or he was on a bed.
Yeah.
That's a male.
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure.
Been on a bed.
So we just got back here in this area where we got bit the first time, coming through several times, and got some more bites, so that's good. Good deal. So that's, how many is that we've caught? 5 or 6? 6? Okay. Not terrible. Hopefully we get, yeah, we could have had at least 10. Yeah, for sure. Because we have missed a wad. Yeah. See if one's back here on this stump. Because we're further up now than we started. We didn't come through this little section with these pads. There's a bite, there's a fish. Got it. Little guy, little teeny. Well, that's a fish though. Right there on that tree. We were just saying that we had kind of got out of them. I've been picking up that buzz bait back and forth, alternating with it, and just have not gotten one to bite, which is very weird, but I don't know. And all the fish we're catching are like very close to the bank. Like that fish was up on that tree, and I mean, probably 1.5 feet of water, probably. I don't know. Might fish down just a touch more, and we might fire up and make another move. Got him? That's a good one, ain't it?
Whatever it is.
Oh yeah, nice bass.
Come on,
There we go. I just missed one on that stump. Where was that fish at?
This one was kind of right behind your power pole here. I don't know. I mean, I started on the left edge of that twig sticking out.
Right. That's a pretty one.
They're getting slightly better.
Oh yeah. A chunky one. So we might be getting into some fresh fish.
I do like when I set the hook and it doesn't come flying out of the water.
Yeah.
That's slightly more fun than
Just setting the hook and missing them. Got him? Oh yeah, he's on there. There you go.
he was on that limb. Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw him. He was hung up.
Well, that's another crawl.
Hey, you getting him though?
I think we got 10 or 12.
Yeah, we're working on them numbers now. We just got to get that great biggin. We've worked down this shoreline, and we're just now getting into another area that seems like it has fish in it. And I don't know if we didn't catch them when we came back through the area. We caught them beforehand, you know, just because we had already been through there and caught the fish. But this area right here, the shoreline, or the trees go up all the way to the shoreline, so we're able to access the shoreline. I think that's the key factor. I think that's what it is here. Cause I'm getting railed. Did he just drop it? He's got it. Oh, I just missed him. My line was over that limb.
Yeah, when I set the hook on that one, I thought it was giant, but I was pulling on the limb and the fish.
Yeah.
I saw the fish just kind of flopping around there. I want to catch right to that tree.
I flipped up there. When I come up, he was gone with it. He might bite it again. Yeah, I mean, the bite stone picked up considerably. Yeah, that fish should bite again. A lot of fish not getting it though. I don't know if it's
Playing with it.
whoop. Oh no, you're coming out, bud. I mean, that fish went punk. I mean, it smoked it. Oh my goodness. My line was wrapped. He's on it. Look, look.
Hit him. I'm ducking. He's under the tree. Hit him.
Got him. That's a good one too.
I told you, hit him.
That's the biggest of the day. That is the biggest of the day. Get in here. That's a chunk.
3-pounder.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, he was back underneath
He was
the
pulling.
tree.
He was pulling it.
Underneath the tree. You were just sitting on him. I was like this. I was like,
I didn't want to set the hook because I didn't want to like hit you.
oh, I didn't care about that. I just didn't want to tungsten too.
Oh man. Oh, he absolutely gobbled it.
Let him sit there and...
Dude, I was trying to, I was like, oh, I got it out. I was like, I'd rather like him have it deep than smoke Brandon in the face with a tungsten. Hey, y'all check that out. Look at that hump on his side. I've never seen I don't know if that's like a tumor. Could be a tumor, like, you know, or something. It's pretty crazy. That's a nice fish day.
Could be somebody's bobber.
Yeah. There we go. And I had missed that fish right before, and I pitched up there again, and that was a little bit of a mess.
Most of them are giving you another
And it's really weird because it's kind of been like that all day. If you miss them, you can almost pitch back in there and get bit again.
3 of the ones I've caught have been your fish.
Yeah, it's just been, I don't know. I'm glad they're doing that and giving us extra opportunities because we have missed a plenty, but good deal. Hey, we've had like 6 or 8 bites in the last 5 minutes.
I've had 4 fish.
Yeah.
I've had 3 fish in the last 50 yards.
Nice. All right, we're gonna fire up and we're gonna move down and we're gonna look more.
Just cruise it.
Yeah, for the type of shoreline that we were on, just where the trees are closer to the bank. Like literally the bank comes out closer to the trees.
Tree line.
Yep, so we're gonna idle down and see what we can find.
These tournament guys are gonna be coming through here in the next hour.
Yeah, ripping. All right, so we made a really long run down the river even further, and we're down here where it's like really big. So we're gonna see if we can catch some fish. I keep wanting to throw that buzz bait, and I'm probably gonna switch over to the black horny toad, but I might pitch up here first. See if we can get one to bite. You know, it's got a lot of available shoreline stuff up here to fish and flip all along the shoreline. So I'm thinking we can maybe kind of run with what we kind of figured out down the river and maybe run it here as well. Got the geese riled up. It did start sprinkling a little bit of rain right when we got here. So hopefully we don't get poured on. That wouldn't be cool. But it's definitely cooled off a lot since we were catching them a couple hours ago. Oh no. Oh, that's a fish. Got that one. On the swim jig. All right. Swim jig fish. We're limping along, but got us one. That's the second or third bite on the swim jig that I've gotten.
Oh God.
Oh, that might be a gone. Oh no, you got it. That thing wrapped multiple times.
Wrapping the whole time.
No swim jig fish. Trying to keep my eyes ahead of me so I don't get hung up on another log. We got hung up on one a few minutes ago that we thought we were going to be sitting here overnight, but we luckily got off of it. Got my trolling motor in like 30%, so it's not just shaking violently. You got one? There he is. On the frog. Oh, there we go. Just hitting one. Frogfish. Nice. I was gonna say I wish we'd come here earlier, but I don't know, maybe
I don't think it would.
that might not have been the best thing, because if we would have broke a prop early, it would have surely messed the day up. Oh,
Got him.
good one too. Yep, best of the day. The words hadn't even come out of my mouth hardly. It's a nice one. Don't worry about it. I gotta swing him in here. Oh, that is a doggone nice one.
Nice. 4.5.
Nice.
Nice one. I bet them guys in that tournament back there would like that.
Well, we're gimping along one-legged, and I got this old boy to come up and eat it. Pretty one.
We don't even have a whole leg.
But yeah, we got a part of a blade. Good deal. Thank you, bud.
Got like a 3-finger paw.
I knew if I could get one to come up on the buzzbait, it would be a good one. Perfect conditions for it. Thank you. He was right here on this stump. Had just said I couldn't believe I didn't get one to come up and bite this thing. And there we go. Biggest fish of the day. Good deal. Well, my day is complete now. Hard for me to go to sleep and yeah, I mean, I'd had everything happen but a buzzbait bite. All right, well, I'm gonna change over to black. One thing about it is when you bring your boat to the river, you fish the river, any river almost. It doesn't even have to be just any particular river. But you're gonna leave with, if you get to where the fish live, you're gonna leave with some scars and some, oh, first cast. First cast with black. Did you see that? I mean, first cast, dude. Sometimes it makes all the difference in the world. First cast. I had casted there with white already. That was a good bass too that just blew up. I mean, that was a good one. There he is. Oh. There he is on the buzz bait. Switched over to that black. Nice little chunk. Just a little water all in my eyeball. Here we go. Pretty, see how black they are up here?
Yeah.
Nice. There he is, buzz bait. Well, y'all, we're gonna have to call it, unfortunately. I'm gonna end up shaking my trolling motor to death if we keep fishing. We'll catch some fish, but up here it's really treacherous on your equipment, as y'all can see, and don't want to mess anything else up. Plus, we've been fishing a long time, and we caught some fish. I mean, caught some decent ones. No giants, but I've definitely done worse, that is for sure. So we're gonna get everything strapped down and get out of here without hopefully destroying my prop or getting hung up, because we're already hung up right now. But let's see if we can get out of here safely.